I'm Dan.
I'm Eileen.
And we live in Pinole, California. We just did a bedroom and bathroom remodel and also a new fireplace. We had 3 people come out and do bids on the job. Ellie was the third one that we talked to. We liked him, and he had some good ideas for us on the bedroom and bathroom.
Ellie was really fun to work with. He was checking out the quality of the work with a very particular eye, so we really appreciated his attention to detail. It seemed to me that they really took pride in their work and wanted to do a quality job. They weren't just interested in getting it done as quickly and as cheaply as possible, but really taking time to do a really good job.
At every step, they basically helped us know where to go or who to talk to. It was one of the real pleasures of the job for me was getting acquainted with the people who were doing the work.
Yeah, they all seem very careful and conscientious.
We really feel that we would not have this beautiful bathroom and bedroom if it hadn't been for Green Bay. And we would definitely recommend them to others and call them again if we have another project. It was a pleasure every step of the way.